Okay, once the 1.5 hours has elapsed and the machine has shut off, at this point we'll be able to take the lid off the machine while the machine is still off. And if we kind of look right in here, you can see the media that you'll be using, and you can also see some of these parts. But the best way to extract out the parts is going to be using the magnet. We're going to go through and record us pulling out 2 or 3 loads of parts off the magnets, just to kind of give you the concept. But probably the best thing that you could do is pull parts, and possibly weigh what you have pulled out to make sure that you're close to the same amount of pounds that you put in. If not, run the machine a little longer with the magnet in there to try to retrieve the last bit of parts. So we're going to go ahead and start up the machine and put the magnet in there to start retrieving out parts. So we've just dropped the magnet right in and let it circulate around. Towards the beginning, if you just let it circulate 1 or 2 passes, it's going to build up quite a bit of parts stuck to the side of the magnet, and then we'll just grab a hold of the magnet and pull it right out of the machine. Make sure you kind of shake off the media the best you can. You can really see all the parts that's stuck to it. Again, shake off the media, bring the parts over, release the mechanism, and the parts fall off. Now you want to continue to do this until you retrieved all of the parts out of the machine. You may come up with some different systems that work out well. Whatever works best for you is good. The key factor is making sure the first machine, which is your wet machine, has the 225 to 250 pounds of ceramic media in it. You are running your M45 soap solution at 12 ounces per filter pack full, and you run it for 1.5 hours. Then you will want to put your parts into your dry shine. Yours is just going to actually dry the parts off. Yours is just a standard cob. Mine is actually designed for polishing. Yours is designed for drying. So we're not going to run these parts in the dry shine, but it's really a pretty simple operation. You put the parts in there. You'll let it tumble for somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes, and then you'll be ready to retrieve those parts back out of the machine. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to call Burger King and ask for Paul Holly or Peyton Smith. Phone number at Burger King is 1-800-621-2748.